what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Just making a quick review video for you guys that I honestly don't see a video on YouTube about like Airlift 3P, you know, like a review of it, how it rides, how you can get the comfortable spot, because it's just this people are like, they just have a shop install it. Either they don't know how to install it, or a shop install it properly and the customer's satisfied with the ride, and they don't know how they're comfortable with the ride, because you see like 90% people complaining, you see 10% people happy with it. So I'm here to show you guys what to do and what not to do, pretty much. Of course, the running airbags right here. My favorite spots being on 73. Honestly, that's a comfortable ride for me. And I'll show you guys where I change the dampers. You could also make it lower, make it go down to like 65 or 60. But then every time you do that, if you want to adjust there at 60, your ride height, you have to adjust your dampers. And I will show you guys where the dampers are located. I'm just going on a short drive right now. Just, you know, I'm not like bouncing anywhere like that, or the stiffness is not that hard either, because you could adjust all that stuff on your own by changing the dampers, adjusting the dampers pretty much. That comes with the aftermarket suspension, and you just have to make sure they do come with it. And a lot of people just don't know. And I was trying to research on that's just playing YouTube right there, you know. Come on, man, these people are, they don't know how to drive, dude. Holy crap. All right, so that's that. And then yeah, I'm just going for a nice drive. I haven't driven in 2 days, so figure make a video at the same time for you guys. Again, what I really love about this is that when I'm going around the curves, it would adjust the bags on each side, on the left side, automatically up. And then when I'm going straight, it will make it come back down to the right height, whatever I choose. Other than that, I'm going to show you guys my presets as well. And once I'm just going to pull over back in my driveway, and then I'll show you guys where the dampers are located and how to adjust them properly, because there's not a video on explaining it in English, I guess. It's just gibberish, like you just don't know. I don't know. I'm sure most of you guys will agree with me on that point as well. I'm just gonna go around the block real quick, and I'll show you guys how to actually change that and adjust the stiffness, the softness, the hardness, the bounciness, whatever you might have issue with. This video will pretty much show you how you can fix your ride, how to make it comfortable and everything like that. And of course, I got YouTube over here. You guys can get it, the link in the description below. I was just playing YouTube right there, you know, make the volume a bit lower so you guys could hear me. You know, music, videos, watch Netflix on there, whatever you guys want to on long trips. But yeah, just keep it as entertaining over there for passengers and stuff like that. I can't drive and watch at the same time, but you know, traffic and then a huge red light, might as well take a look at it a little bit. But yeah, that's that. Where is it? If I hit the button right there, home. Oh, my bad, didn't click it. There you go, should have done it. There you go, see? You got the YouTube, Netflix, Google Maps, you got Waze in there, you can download Waze, Bluetooth connectivity, and yeah, it's also has what else is it? Bluetooth music. Pretty much I mostly use it for like YouTube or Netflix, but yeah, you can turn this device into a wireless CarPlay as well too. When you hit the CarPlay there and your phone's connected, it completely follows the instructions. Your Bluetooth's connected, your Wi-Fi's connected. Whenever you know, wireless CarPlay, that will pretty much bring your iPhone or Android Auto. And you got other things as well, like Google, Chrome, GPS test, settings, start animation. You can have different animations, I guess. Maps, VLC, Google Play. You can download other apps from here, like Amazon Prime Videos, Stars, HBO, stuff like that. Yeah, enough of that. and let me pull up in my driveway, and I will show you guys where the dampers can be adjusted from and what my ride height is.
3472.
And what else would it be? Yeah, dampers and what my ride heights are, my presets. And I know it's pretty satisfying on showing different. Now you guys are gonna be telling me to make a video on the radar. It's a UNIDEN R7. I'll put my affiliate link description below on Amazon. So the range is really far. Comes in handy big time right there above me. Yep, I'll put the link in the description below for that. Alright, so from here I'm going to go completely stock height, and then I'll show you my ride height preset, and then I'll show you my photo shoot height, and then the last but least when you completely air out. Alright, so let's begin. It's really satisfying, so let's take a look at that real quick. Alright, that is it. And right now I'm just sitting at my ride height preset. I hope that was satisfying, and I'm definitely going to show you right now where the dampers are located, okay? Alright, so as far as dampers, whenever you go stock height, of course, and you jack up the car from here, you should be able to jack it up a little bit to a point where you have like 2 inches over here off the ground. You should be able to see literally right under the, trying to fix this real quick. All right, you should be able to see up there when you go stock height, of course, and jack it up a little bit. You will see a small knob in the center, right on top, right before 2 bolts, the strut mount holding it, and then in the middle you're gonna see dampers. You could adjust it. So if you go this way, rotation towards counterclockwise, that's going to be on soft meaning you're making it stiffer, okay? Not comfortable, like you're making it stiffer. So if it's bouncy and stuff, you want to make sure you twist it, turn it counterclockwise to make it stiffer. H will be on the other side. If you're really stiff and you try to make it a little bit comfortable and like a little bit bouncy, just a tiny bit to get that point, you want to go clockwise, which will be hard, which is H. You want to go clockwise for that. I would recommend doing 3, or you know what, if you're right at that spot, just go by 3 clicks. But if you know you need a big adjustment, go by 5 clicks, and you'll hear those clicks too. You'll feel it actually too. So let me show you real quick on the hood area. Where it's located exactly and what it will look like. So you see that right there? That's what it's going to look like. You'll see the H and the S. You see the S? So you want to go, S is going to be for stiffer. H is going to become more like not hard. It's, I mean, I don't know, it says soft and hard, but S literally makes it stiffer. And then the H, if you turn it clockwise, it's going to become a little bit bouncy then. So you want to adjust that on the same side over there. So that's that. And other than that, what do you guys think? Make sure you guys DM Boosted Whips _official on Instagram. Put his link in the description below for wheels, suspension, airbags, you name it, coilovers, springs. He'll hook you up. And same thing over here with the tail lights, of course. He'll hook you up as well. DM me as well if you need a discount code. I got you. And what else we gotta do here? yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified on upcoming content, because I'm going to be modifying this really soon. One thing at a time. Patience is the key for a perfect build, of course. You guys know that. Look at those pearls. So I haven't washed this car in about 3 months, honestly, since I got it ceramic coated. Look at this thing. It's just on a sunset. Comment below what you guys think about that. So it's really sunny out. It looks really sexy. But yeah, so the front's looking really aggressive right now. Front, just that. All right, guys, so peace out until next time. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, comment below, and I appreciate the support. Peace out until next time.